What's up, players? Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. How y'all doing this beautiful morning? What's up, Clyde? What's up, OG? Oh, you're so sweet. Who wants that first? Let's do Clyde first this morning. OG, you always go first, big dog. You always go first. I mean, Cloudy boy. Let's let the big word out today. Start. Woo! That boy jumped that rail. He said, I don't need to stand on none. I'm jumping. I'm a big old jumper this morning. Yeah. Pee poo poo. Drop that do. Yeah. Hey! No! Get your ass back in there! Come on, guys. Hey! No! Go, Clyde! Go, Clyde! No! 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 Get your ass up in there! Get up in there! We don't play shit! You okay, brother? You okay? You do. No! You don't act like that! What the fuck is wrong with you? Come on, boy. Come on. Alright, come on, Clyde. See, that is not how you want to introduce your dogs. That was the fault. That was my fault. The thing fell down and Clyde got out. Clyde was being cool. OG was being a dick. Which OG didn't really try to hurt her. He was just trying to dominate. But it could have been worse. You did good, boy, Clyde. You did so good, Clyde. You did so good. We know you could have messed him up and you didn't even try. Come on, Clyde. Beep, beep, boop, boop, treat. Come on. Why you let him dominate like that? I should just let's see what happened. They might have just... Clyde could have just submitted right off the bat. And then they would have been perfect together. Sit. Stay. Good boy. Go on. I don't even have to lock his cage. He's just a good dog. He's got Gigi's qualities. He's a leader without being... He doesn't have to show his aggression insanely. Like a lot of these studs, they feel like that they're lacking. Eat your food, Bubba. Oh, I'm sorry. What's this doing in there? That can give us a really bad day, can't it, buddy? Eat your food. I love you, boy. You did so good. Yes, you did. You did good. See, he didn't hurt me at all. He didn't even poke a hole in me. They were just trying to dominate. See, you gotta control your dogs. It's up to us to keep a safe environment. Those guys have never met face to face like that, without a cage in between them. So, next time I'm gonna release them together, I'm gonna put a muzzle on them. That way they can wrestle and play and get used to each other without having to be aggressive. Did we put OG in Clyde's cage? Oh no, we put Clyde in. We put OG in his cage. You're a bad boy! Bad! No! Can't really be mad at him for just being dominant. You're a bad boy. No. You don't beat up on people. We don't beat up. Come on. Come on. You're a bad boy. Come on. You know better than that shit. Clyde will whoop your freaking ass. You see how big Clyde is? You really want to play with Clyde like that? Huh? You really want to play? See, I got to put all my dogs up. It's people think it's easy. No, man. When I was in Texas, all my dogs were in one pack. They all lived together. They were all happy. 11 dogs. And that's without puppies. That's just adult dogs. And everyone lived together. Juju was the leader. Everyone listened. I was the leader. Everyone listened to Juju's second command. And I had no problem. A couple of female fights, a couple of male fights when their females were in heat. But other than that, 10 years and no problem. Now that I isolated them, man, it causes all kinds of problems once you start isolating. It's best just to work out the kinks. You be good this time. Don't be an asshole. That's why I locked it. I blocked your perimeter. Now all you can see is Clyde. MSU Bully, baby. Alien Dog Bloodline. Every day we out here on that grind. Yay! Doing our things, baby.